The Bezzera BZ10 is a heat exchanger with a 1.5-liter boiler, vibratory pump, and a unique electronically heated group head that runs off of a sizable internal 3-liter reservoir. This beautiful compact machine sits on a hefty stainless steel frame with stunning mirrored panels. As an attractive option for small spaces, the BZ10 sits at 14.9 inches tall, 18.8 inches deep, and 9.9 inches wide. But don't let the size fool you, it certainly packs a punch. As a heat exchanger, you're able to pull shots and steam milk simultaneously, thanks to the 1.5-liter boiler paired with a 1400-watt heating element. The steam power is excellent. Controlled by a traditional pressure stat, your boiler temperature will remain consistent at 1.5 bars of steam pressure once initially heated. Simply lock your joystick in the upright position and enjoy hands-free steaming.